These are the Brawny Terra Square paper towels. And this really comes in handy for all your needs, whether you need a full sheet, a half a sheet, or a quarter sheet, because sometimes you just don't need a full sheet or even half a sheet either. And you get 120 rolls in each one. You're gonna get 2 of them, which is actually equal to 4 regular Brawny rolls. And they're highly absorbent, very easy to use, and because you get double of them, you're gonna change a roll less often. And let me open it up so you can see what it looks like. This is what the paper towel roll looks like. Very simple to use. Also very thick material too. Really gets the job done. Whether you want a full sheet or a half a sheet or even a quarter sheet, you will be very pleased with these Brawny paper towels. And very easy to tear along the perforations, and I'm very pleased with this product. So whether you need this for tough, messy spills, meal prep, or daily cleanup, you'll definitely be happy with these Brawny paper towels in the Terra Square. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.